Hi guys! Since we are in a much bigger space, I'm gonna do the biggest canvas I ever did on YouTube. And this is 60 by 80, so that's 24 by 32 inches. I made a lot of white in here. This is totally full, so yeah, let's see how this will turn out. Okay, so I mixed it in here. And I think I'm gonna do metallics with purple today. And I'm so careful. Okay, so we painted the floor anthracite gray, but it's already white at this moment. You know, we're in a working place, so. Okay. Okay, guys, let me see what the plan is here. I think I go for the most obvious and make a stripe like this, because it's a big canvas and I don't want to experiment with this at the moment. So yeah, I was talking about metallics and violet, so let's go for that. Maybe this primary blue as well, and Van Dyke brown for the contrast. Okay, so let's start with gold. Go with copper. Then violet. Bronze. The blue, and then, yeah, let's go on top with Van Dyke brown. Okay, should be enough color. Let's put this away. I think it's a lot of color, by the way, I use here. Okay, I'm feeling that we're gonna miss some contrast. Yeah, I'm gonna pour a little bit of winsor blue, like a bit here. I'm gonna blow the white over. Okay, it's not a bad start. I'm gonna torch this first and then make it pretty. Okay, so the cool thing here is that the metallic is not taking over, but it's definitely in there. That's not nice. Okay, I will take that away later. Okay, yeah, first I'm gonna take this off. Okay, you know, I don't like when I'm blowing and you really see all these puddles so that it's so obvious I blow there. That's why I like when it's breaking up a little. So I will try to break these a bit up, or they need to be perfect. So not like this. I don't like that. Here as well. I love it! It's gorgeous! Much more color than I thought because I used a lot of metallics, but when this dries it's probably gonna be very shiny. The middle part is also so contrasting and yeah, I'm happy. I love it. Okay, I need to say more, but I just couldn't find my words anymore. I'm drawn into this. Guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you next video.